In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Squarespace trial in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to design a new website for your business or create a personal blog, Squarespace offers a powerful, user-friendly platform that can help you build a stunning site with ease. So let's dive into the process, making sure it's straightforward and smooth. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. This is the main website where you'll begin your journey to creating your dream site. Once you reach the homepage, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout. Squarespace prides itself on a clean and intuitive design, much like the websites you'll be able to create. Next, look for the Get Started button, which should be prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this will take you to a wide selection of beautiful templates designed to cater to various needs and industries. These templates serve as the foundation for your website, so you'll want to choose one that aligns with your vision. You can browse through the options or use filters to narrow down the categories, ensuring that you find the one that best suits your project's needs. Don't rush this step. It's worth spending a few extra minutes here to select a template you truly love. Once you've chosen your template, follow the prompt to get started with a trial. Squarespace is great at guiding you through the necessary steps, so simply click through as it leads you forward. This involves entering some basic information to create your account. You'll need to input your name, email address, and a secure password. Always remember to choose a password that's both strong and memorable. As soon as you've entered this information and finalized the creation of your account, your Squarespace trial will begin automatically. You'll be seamlessly logged into your new site and greeted with a dashboard where you can start customizing your chosen template. This is where the real fun begins, as you can now start adding content, adjusting design elements, and tailoring the site to your needs. So there you have it. You're now on your way to creating a beautiful website with Squarespace. This trial period is an excellent opportunity to explore all the features and see everything Squarespace has to offer without any commitment. Make sure to take full advantage of this time by experimenting with different designs and functionalities. If you encounter any hurdles or have questions, don't hesitate to explore Squarespace's resources or contact their support team. They're known for being quite helpful. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide empowers you to start building the website of your dreams. Stick around for more tips and tutorials in the future. Happy designing!